Hi, this is Chris Bartlett, and I'm just going to show my Linux and virtualization project for CIS 321. The two distributions I chose were Ubuntu and Robo Linux. Basically, why I chose these is I've used Ubuntu in the past, so it was familiar to me, and I chose Robo Linux because I'd never heard of it, and I seen it on the DistroWatch website, and I thought it seemed interesting, so decided to try it out. With things I like about Robo Linux is that it has a menu that is a lot like Start menu and the older versions of Windows, which is one thing I miss about my computer that has Windows 8.1 is that I have no Start menu. If you go under the applications here, you can see that it comes with several applications which I could use to get just about any of my work done I need to do. For the internet, I have Firefox, which is my favorite web browser to use. Also comes with Conqueror if you'd like to use that, and it also has Chrome for people who like to use that. For email, has Thunderbird email client, and we also have the Kmail client or KDE mail client that you could use as well. Also has Skype if you're into that. I don't really Skype anyone, but let's see. Also has several multimedia applications. For example, if you need to work with ISO images, here you go. Have the ISO master. K3B if you need to burn some disk. And you also have if you're going to play video media, you can use the VLC media player. We also have a music player that you can use as well. So it comes with several choices of things. Also have an iPod manager here. GTK pod. If you need to hook your iPod up, you could use that as well. It also has Office software. LibreOffice, which is similar to Microsoft Office. You also have a calendar, an address book, as well as some other software you can use. Let's see. Now I'll show Ubuntu here. You can see one of the things that I miss is I would rather have a menu that is like the Start menu on the older versions of Windows. I like it better than I like this menu, but I still like Ubuntu. It does a good job for what I like to do. It, of course, comes with Firefox. Also, it also comes with Thunderbird. You get the Rhythm Box music player you can use if you'd like to play music on here, or You also have a video player that you can use. One thing about getting Ubuntu set up on the virtual machine that I would like to note is that I had a little problem with the screen resolution, and through the Google search I found a tutorial to make it work properly, and I'll include that on the discussion forum. I'll link to that in case anyone else has this issue. But basically, if your screen resolution doesn't work, you can't see the whole screen, there is a way to solve that. You don't have to reinstall or anything like that, or give up on it. But you do need to know how to use the terminal, which in Ubuntu you can access by hitting Control Alt and T, and the terminal will pop up. And this is a command that you would have to type, and the tutorial has that that I'm going to link to. So, and I'm also going to link to the video on there. So if anyone needs any help with this, or I can help anyone out with it, just let me know. I'd be glad to help.